Hey everybody, welcome back. We're here this time, Shomespeed. We've got a customer vehicle. It's a Joe Gibbs truck, 2003. Actually, this is just a Magna Charge aftermarket added. We've done quite a few that go Joe Gibbs trucks in the past, and this one the customer brought it in. It had been previously tuned, and we had to replace the ECU because it was locked, tuner locked. So we got the new ECU installed, put our base file in it. Our base file has a different VIN than what's currently on this vehicle. So what you're going to see, a lot of guys have issues with their security after the fact. You can turn the VATs off in hptuners by just simply going to your VATs section here and under system and turning off the VATs to security. So like we have no VATs control here. So with no VATs control turned off, then what will happen is when you actually scan this vehicle, it will pass your VATs test. If you see right here, we passed the VATs test right now while the vehicle is scanning. The problem is it'll go ahead and start and run, but security light's still on for the customer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and program this with the correct VIN for the vehicle, so then it'll go ahead and the other modules should match up and we can get rid of our security light. Stay tuned and we'll take care of that shortly. First thing we're going to do is open up our hptuners. We'll open up the file we just loaded. We're loading our base from a Joe Gibbs truck we've done. Security controls on. So we're going to go in here and change VIN wizard. Okay, what's the number there?
1 George, Terry, Echo, Charlie. 1 4 Tango, 8 3 Zulu, 3 2 6 2 3 3.
Okay, we put our new VIN in, and it says invalid VIN or operating system pairing. That means the VIN number that we are using does not match the current VIN because we tried to match the 05 Silverado with the 03 Sierra ECU. So the VIN has to match your operating system. When you go in there and you try to match it up to security, you're going to get this. You can make the truck run, but you're going to get a security light. So what we're going to have to do is go in and actually load the correct operating system that matches up with this VIN number, and then load our file based off of that. We'll go out here and we'll start, and we'll be right back. Okay, after we put the new VIN in, we hit commit. There we are. It's current VIN updated. So key forward. Make sure key forward, security on. Typical flash, right vehicle. And you have to, anytime you're doing security or updates, you have to do right entire. We'll do a right VIN. Actually, we did an operating system change on this, so we're going to do a right entire. We're going to turn off the high speed. He has an aftermarket radio, so it's interfering with the high speed. So we'll write this in low. A lot of times you can pull the fuse and help with that. In this case, the way the radio is wired, when we pulled the fuse, it also pulled power from the OBD2. So we decided just to write it in low speed and see what it is. We'll be back shortly after this one's wrote. All that, we've got her loaded up. Now we're going to go over here, turn key on, cycle key back on, see if we have a security light still on. Security light goes off, truck starts. Security light stays off. So that's how in hptuners you write the VIN to get rid of security. So it's not a VATs issue, it is the VIN with the module issue, which we'll go back here one more time under edit, change VIN wizard, and ensure that your VIN matches your vehicle. As always, like and subscribe. Follow us for more how-to videos. We do hptuners, drag racing, Holly EFI, AEM Infinity, and many more. Thank you.